Welcome back friends, and in today's video I am going to explain you how to fix a hacked Android phone. Usually we think that our Android phone is safe because it has many security features, but if someone takes control of our Android phone, you may not know what happened to the phone and don't know how to get the Android phone back in control. So now your private data, including photos, messages, passwords, may be exposed and compromised. So, fortunately, there are several ways to fix if your Android phone is hacked. Please be patient and watch this video till the end. If you are suspecting that your phone has been compromised, immediately disconnect your Wi-Fi and mobile data connections. This will further prevent your data from being compromised. Now this question will come into our mind, that why is my phone hacked? Who hacked my phone and why? An Android phone getting hacked usually just because you did something inadvertently or you have given your phone to someone else. If you have recently downloaded any third party malicious app and you later found that your phone sometimes gets out of your control, means when you are clicking something, in between some irrelevant ads are coming, some dirty messages are coming, or this is only due to you have clicked a link that was unfamiliar and you were unsure whether it was safe or not. You have given your mobile to a stranger and someone just did something in some seconds. So after that you will face some type of problems. How to check your Android phone is hacked or not? You can carefully check whether your phone is hacked or not. If any inappropriate contact or advertisement pops up on your Android phone, or any unknown application suddenly appears on your phone, or your phone is making calls and sends and receives text messages without your knowledge, sudden increase in cellular data usage and rapid power consumption of your phone, the mobile phone responds slowly, freezes, automatically switched off and on. If your phone behaves in any suspicious or inappropriate manner, your phone may be hacked or infected. So in this situation, don't be panic. We can still recover the device if the phone is hacked. After watching this, you feel that this video is useful and you are getting benefited by watching this video, please do consider to subscribe this channel and forward this video to your family and friends. So not wasting much of your time, the first thing is boot your phone into the safe mode. How? Just press the power on button for some time, then keep power off button pressed for some time, and then safe mode. Just tap in here and see your phone will now boot into safe mode. I will wait. Okay, now I will come back when it will on. See, safe mode is here. Now this phone is in safe mode. Just give your pattern or fingerprint, whatever you have here, it will automatically go into the flight mode. See here, and now see your phone's behavior. If it is behaving normally, search for the third party app you have downloaded in recent past, last 3-4 days, 1 week. If you are finding any applications, then go to the that application and then just long press it, then uninstall it, remove that application, then go back to original mode, normal mode. How? Just you can switch off on or just swipe it down, tap it here, turn off. Now it will boot into the normal mode. I will wait. These are the two things I have told you. First, boot into the safe mode, observe, and then delete any suspicious applications. Now third thing, You have to go to Play Store and then scan your phone. How I'm going to show you. Once my phone is on, then I will show you. It is getting on. So now just enter your pattern or fingerprint what you have set for starting. Now it is starting. Wait for some minute. Now turn off this flight mode, come into the normal mode, then go to the Play Store, then tap here and then Play Protect. Just type it here. Now scan, see any harmful app is there or not. If it is finding any harmful app, just remove that app and restart your mobile. After that you may find your phone working in a good manner. So this was the third thing. If it happened, then change your Google password immediately. How? I will show you. Tap it here, manage your Google accounts, then go to the personal info and go below till you see password. Tap it here, it will ask for your current password and then change it. From there you can find change password. So just change your Google account password. Then from Play Store, go and search for any anti-malware application, download it and install that. So this was the fifth one. And then sixth, update your device, means go to the settings, go below software update or find update, then download and install. If any update is there, install it immediately. These updates are only for your device security and personalization. If any, here I have found it, I will download it later, and you have to download it and install it immediately for security of your phone. After doing all the things, if still the problem is there, just setting, go to the setting, search for reset, go to the reset, here factory data reset, restore factory settings. But as soon as you will click here, you will see these all things, all the data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system data, settings, downloaded apps. So you have to be sure that you have backed up data, you have taken backup of all your mobile data, and you know how to restore. Then only you do it. Restore factory settings and then load data. Your phone will work properly after that. So these, even if after doing this your phone is not working, please go to the authorized service center for seeking professional help. This is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.